Uh, Now I would like to introduce Mr. Ramesh Kumar, who is the Executive Director of our college, and I would like to request him to come in the stage for the cheering program. Volunteers, please come in the stage for the batting.
I would like to request our dearest friend Navin Bohra of BBA to give a short speech.
Thank you, Prakash and Niba. With every dawning of sun, new possibilities have just begun. With every breaking of the moon, fresh moments are newly born. May the days are not always years. Harvest the optimism that drives the fears. See, the days are always there when hearts meet with pleasure and tyranny changes the way. A warm good afternoon and namaste to everyone, respected CEO sir, principal sir, executive directors and faculty members and our guests and my dear friends who are present here in the courtyard of Quest International College. We immensely praise the kind participation of undoubtedly valuable personalities of different fields despite of their busy schedules to make this program an awesome and a dazzling one. This is the annual day of Quest International College, or we called it the Quest Day. Despite of lots of turbulences on the way, we have come up with tremendous achievements in the field of education, tackling all of them. Today, we are immensely glad to utter that Quest is the strong foundation in the field of education and has been able to maintain up-to-date and purely qualitative education through the unshakable devotion and dedication of national luminaries of national education. A year of experience in this institution has become the integral time period and a memorable part of my life. I really appreciate from the inner core of my heart to almost all strategies and activities carried out by Quest to bring enrichment and overall development of the students. Today, I am proud to say I am the student of Quest. The quest of this institution is to ensure and bring out the hidden talents of students and to make them recognized globally. For these noble tasks, let us put our hands together and appreciate each and every individual's contributions. Today, we can say this is a coincidence. We are here to celebrate the annual day of our college, and today, the education day is also there. And for this, on this auspicious occasion of Education Day, let us pay a tribute to all those teachers and institutions who have taught us to swim into the ocean without drowning into it. Wish all success to Quest International, and once more a warm welcome and huge salutation to all the valuable personalities. Hope you all will enjoy the upcoming programs which are full of entertainment. Thank you for listening me patiently, and I expect to meet you in the upcoming sessions of this program. Thank you.
Mr. Bivin Sakya from BBA.
Student. I would also like to request Mr. Bivin Sakya to come in the stage and receive his award of first standing second in table tennis game. The volunteers are requested. Miss Raksha Chetri being awarded as the most disciplined student. The chairs. I also request the teachers to get up for a while till the volunteers arrange the sitting in the ground.
At the meantime, the participants for Newari dance, please be ready. feel proud that I am a Nepali. So that was the last program for our formal program. By this dance, we would like to end our formal session here. Then we will be having a refreshment program. Volunteers, please do yourself very nicely. You are to maintain the surroundings. We will resume our program after an hour. So this is the formal ending of our program. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Okay, finally we are in the third session of our program of our annual day. And in this session, before we start this session, I would like to say something about this session. Okay, this third session is full of entertainment. The first session we had already, that was a formal session where we inaugurated our program formally, and the second session was for the refreshment, and finally the last session of our annual day program is full of entertainment. Here in this session we will have lots of dances, many of our friends will sing a song, and we will have 2 games to play with the teachers. Okay.
Good afternoon once again. We've got a new guest, Mr. Uday sir, English. Please give him a big round of applause. Thank you. The very first performance for the third session is a dance performed by BHM girls. The song says Talko Pani. Hope you'll have a good time. Girls, the stage is yours.
जाने कि न जाने तालको पानी माछीले खाने पिरिमसित जाने कि न जाने तालको पानी माछीले खाने पिरिमसित जाने कि न जाने तालको पानी माछीले खाने पिरिमसित जाने कि न जाने Jugo प्रेमसित जाने कि नजाने तालको पानी मान्छेले खाने प्रेमसित जाने कि नजाने तालको पानी मान्छेले खाने प्रेमसित जाने कि नजाने
Surprise package, it does not come often, okay? So, thank you girls, that was a wonderful performance. Nabin,
हजुर
तिमीलाई केही भन्न मन लागेको छैन?
मलाई भन्न त मन अब सुरेशको चाहिँ गीत गाउँछ भन्ने जस्तो लाग्यो के भन्दै र
गीत हैन क्या अरु केही भन्न मन लागेको छैन तिमीलाई?
कसलाई तिमीलाई
ह?
त्यस्तो के भन्नु र तिमीलाई यस्तो हेर्दा बरु मलाई त अब नेक्स्ट पर्फर्मेन्स के हुँदैछ भनेर पो भनौ जस्तो लाग्यो त
ल ठिकै छ जुन जोगी आए पनि कानै छिरेको भन्थ्यो त्यस्तै रहेछ क्या मैले थाहा पाएँ
होइन त्यस्तो होइन बरु म तिमीलाई भन्दिनँ तिम्रो साटो बरु म सुरेशको गीत अब जसले पर्फर्मेन्स दिँदैछ नेक्स्टमा उसको लागि चाहिँ बरु केही भन्न चाहन्छु
ल ठिकै छ नि त मेरो लागि नभए पनि म सुरेशको लागि सुनिदिन्छु नि त
ल है त फेरि तिमीलाई अर्कोचोटि भन्नु I request Suresh Sakha and his friends to be get ready for the performance. Before that, म सुरेशको लागि केही भन्न चाहन्छु है त सुरेशको गीत अथवा उसले जे पर्फर्म गर्दैछ त्यसमा मैले एउटा सानो कविता जस्तो लेखेको छु एउटा प्याराग्राफ है सुरेशको लागि यो स्पेशल्ली सुरेश र साँच्चै भन्नुपर्दा उसको लागि पनि हो है त ल कृपया ध्यान दिएर सुनिदिनु होला राम्रो त छैन होला र पनि नराम्रो भए पनि एकचोटि ताली चाहिँ मजाले मारिदिनु होला है त ल तिमी सुरेशको गीत हो भने प्रिय तिमी सुरेशको गीत हो भने प्रिय म त्यो गीतको बोल हुँ तिमी सुरेशको गीत हो भने प्रिय म त्यो गीतको बोल हुँ तिमी पुस माघमा ओढ्ने सिरक हो भने प्रिय म त्यसको खोल हुँ
God, please love. Thank you, that was wonderful. Now I would like to request Suresh to come front and give his performance. Guys, every program you have to walk along.
अब गुड आफ्टरनुन है फर एभ्रीबडी अनि अब आवरसँग हाम्रो गीत चाहिँ अब त्यति साह्रो अब वी हेभन गट टाइम टु प्र्याक्टिस वेल होइन अब राम्रोसित प्र्याक्टिस गर्न नि पाएन सो अब ठिकै भएको छ हाम्रो प्र्याक्टिस अब राम्रो भए पनि नभए पनि प्लिज सुनिदिनु होला है राम्रोसित बेला चुरा देऊ अन्तिम पल्ट तिम्रा हातहरू फेरि फेरि भेट होला नहोला सायद हाम्रो बिचको नाता युग युग भरिको होला खुला आकाश भरिका तारा साथी होला जुनीको लागि
Give them a big round of applause.
Now we have the next performance, that is the dance by BBA and the BHM students. Hello, please, you are requested to be silent and she. If our time persists us, then we will be doing that. Okay, next performance is gonna be a dance performance by the BBA and the BHM students. It's per my knowledge they are going to dance. I mean, that is the couple dance that is going to be performed. Okay, and त्यो भन्दा अगाडि मैले अघि नै सपनालाई भनिसकेको थिएँ मैले तिम्रो बारेमा केही भन्छु अलिकति भनेर फेरि भनेन भने रिसाउला अब एउटा कुरा चाहिँ भन्न मन लाग्यो उसको बारेमा है त मजाले सुनेर एकचोटि ताली मार्दिनु है त राम्रो लाग्यो खाली कागजको पानामा हात्तीको चित्र कोरेनी हुन्छ मृगको चित्र कोरेनी हुन्छ खाली कागजको पानामा हात्तीको चित्र कोरेनी हुन्छ मृगको चित्र कोरेनी हुन्छ मन परेको मान्छेलाई तपाईहरुले आई लभ यु भने पनि हुन्छ मैले आई लभ यु भने पनि हुन्छ
विन भन्न त भन्यो कि हैन तर तिमीलाई म के पब्लिक प्रपर्टी जस्तो लाग्यो
Sorry?
Do you think I'm a public property? तपाईले भन्ने पनि हुन्छ मैले भने पनि हुन्छ
that exactly, but what I'm to say is just as a friend I was just creating, okay?
Don't just yeah, explanation, okay? I need a reason. Why did you say that?
Can you share? La, I will say you later on, okay? But let us welcome all the friends of BBA and the BHM for their dance. That is a remix couple dance, and the name of the song is Anjana Anjani. All the friends, a big round of applause for students.